Hello, this is Sean. I just want to show off my Pasquini that I got from a thrift store find for only $2.99. I couldn't believe it myself when I saw it on the shelf, so you better believe I ran out of the store as quickly as I could. It came with accessories. I got 3 of the milk frothing cups from Crux, a brush, a nice 58 millimeter tamper, which also I can just spin, which works really well, so glad for that. Came with, of course, a 58 millimeter portafilter, but right in there I have 7 ounces of Charleston Coffee Roasters Signature Blend, which is really awesome. And I got my 2 rubber baskets. I think this is maybe a 14 gram, and this is your cleaning basket to flush the system, as all the liquid will come out right here to help you clean. Pressure gauge right there, and I already have the machine ready to go. So I got 7 grams of delicious coffee ready to go, and the spacing is really awkward because for the espresso cup I would prefer to put in my regular latte mug, and this guy is too big, at least until I order a new portafilter, so I'm going for the bottomless. So help me do my measurement. I'm going to use my Pyrex 1 cup and my scale, which is already ready for me to go. It's not a fancy scale. I wish it was slimmer, but it'll do the job just nicely. But fortunately, my Pyrex glass is too big, so gonna use a bowl, which is the only really annoyance I have with this machine, that there's not really a lot of space. You know, I'm going to go for 21 grams for this shot. So about 25 grams, but the espresso looks really good. One of the cool features about this particular machine is it has a hot water, so I'm just going to warm up the glass. Empty my water. and see, it looks quite good. The grinder that I have is just a blade grinder for right now, but I am looking at getting a proper burr grinder, which should be in the mail soon. And I feel like I'm gonna make a latte, so I'm gonna use one of my Krebs cups. Make sure I put enough milk in here. Because you have to have enough milk to cover the wand. And on this particular machine, which they changed on later models, that the steam wand used to use this little plastic gripper in the back, which works well enough, but not really well when you try to make some milk, or if you need to touch it after it's been used. So I've got pretty good amount of steam power, which is awesome. So I'm just going to quickly froth me up some milk. There's my milk. And I just purge it to make sure the milk gets in here, because that's not going to be fun to clean. I'm not going to try to do anything light. It's a nice flat latte. And it's nice. Made me a milky coffee, but still quite good. So I just wanted to show off my machine. But I'm honestly surprised I was lucky enough to get this machine running, but I'm definitely going to enjoy it while it still works. So hopefully enjoy this little demo of the video. I wanted to at least show it off, and hopefully I could use my phone, but it is what it is. So have a great day and enjoy the rest of your afternoon.